Is your Windows operating system reporting the Google Analytics module DLL failure? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows system specialist. Let's resync your file architecture and restore your system integrity now. Before we begin the walkthrough for Google Analytics module, check the link below for a tool to assist with library environment checks. This is the Google Analytics module, frequently found in third-party software launchers and free-to-play games to handle background telemetry and user interaction tracking. While not critical for the software's primary function, its absence can cause module not found pop-ups or high startup latency as the app repeatedly tries to initialize its analytics sequencer. Let's transition to the solution, starting with the official Microsoft redistributable. The Google Analytics module DLL library is a specialized component of the Localized telemetry/analytics logic system, and you must reinstall the program you are trying to open to restore the internal file structure if this file is missing. If the installer was unable to bridge the gap, we will move to phase 2 of our diagnostic to refresh the system's memory. A standard restart allows the Windows bootloader to rescan your system directories and potentially recognize an unregistered Google Analytics module component. Before you go, bookmark this video or click the like button. This ensures the video stays in your library so you can finish the final steps as soon as you're back at your desktop. If a quick restart didn't do the trick, it's time to look deeper into the system configuration. If you need to pause the video to find your settings menu, I'll be right here. If the restart didn't fix the library error, we need to manually repair the specific C++ redistributable package. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. Before you wrap up the repair, let's ensure you're following the safest path for your system. Warning: Google Analytics module DLL missing error is often a symptom of a larger issue that a simple manual download will never be able to fully resolve. Using a professional maintenance utility is a proactive step toward keeping your system state healthy and your software synchronized. The utility linked below provides informational guidance for users reviewing Google Analytics module and system behavior. Thank you for trusting us with your system repair today. For more configuration tips and Google Analytics module error resolutions, don't forget to like and subscribe.